Hi everyone, I'm me, you're you. We're both the same person. So DNA is basically the same. Everyone has the exact same strand. Only difference is which part of the strand are you looking at. That manifests outwards, and that's why you can change your body. When you think of working out, you become buffer or slimmer. When you think of improving your health, you start to consume things that are healthier. Because those are your building blocks. What's your body gonna make out of if you don't give it anything to make something out of? Yeah?
I am
Flesh, bones, and skin, and a soul. That's a human. That's it. That's also animals and plants.
nothing more than human.
The choice. The breath of God.
I am
That's the difference.
love.
The ability
I am pain.
to be able
Scars.
to create.
I am human.
What are you creating?
Nothing more than human.
You human.